Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A11. So for that we will need the buttons for the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short and you will have a screenshot. After you can see a preview, you can edit the picture or share it directly. And if you have done this for the very first time, you have to, the screenshot, then you have to allow at first that this feature have access to the photos and so on. So just tap on allow and so on and you will see that message not again. And yeah, one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together. And yeah, at this symbol here you can edit the picture as you want, if you want. So then you can crop here maybe a part, maybe if you're on a website you can crop a part of the text or made a picture or something like this. And then you can draw something inside. And yeah, after you finish, you can share this edited part directly here by WhatsApp or something like this, or you can save it directly to your gallery. And apropos gallery, here are our screenshots. And as you can see, I had many tries already. And I had a category albums. What is very nice, the screenshots have their own folder. No? So you don't have to look for them all over the phone. All your screenshots will be here in that folder. Yo. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.